one minute. Where are you from?
I'm from Afghanistan.
Afghanistan. Where in Afghanistan?
Doesn't matter, we're from Afghanistan.
Okay.
And we came from Greece to Serbia, from Macedonski way. We crossed the border, we walked 4 nights in mountains, jungles. Then the car picked up us and dropped us on the border of Serbia. We walked for 1 hour. We reached the Camp Prešov. It names Prešov, the camp name. Whoever entered to the Serbia, they will go straight to the Prešov. Once you enter inside the Prešov, there isn't any deportation for you. They will just snap a picture from you and take your name without any documents and give right away the small paper for you. That's it. There isn't an asylum like Greece. You go for asylum, they give you paper, they give you date of interview, or they will accept you on your date of interview or not. That's called asylum service. As I was working for the UNHCR in Afghanistan. Here in Serbia, there isn't an asylum service. This is just a card that I can make it from myself in Word, MS Office. I can do that. They give you just this. The important thing is they have something to scan. Yeah. What is this? They didn't took my finger. They didn't ask me why I came here. They didn't ask me how I came here. Nothing. They just give me this. I move from that border to here. I want to go forward to my destination.
And you're trying to reach where? Germany, France?
Switzerland.
Switzerland.
Switzerland is your destination.
Yeah. I was working for the Red Cross in Afghanistan. So the people who I worked for them was Switzerland.
Okay.
So for myself, I prefer Switzerland or France.
Because you have things and connections there, I guess.
Maybe or maybe not, or I have a good background in Afghanistan that the lifestyle for myself in Afghanistan is not available what I want and how's the situation right there. That's why I moved.
So you tried to pass the border?
Of course, now I'm talking with someone here. A lot of guys are asking for me where you want to go, where you want to go. I must talk with someone and put some money and go with them. Some of them tell me we'll take you from, what does it call, Romania?
Yeah.
The other way, Croatia. Some of them call me Hungary. I'm fucking confused with these people who I have to trust. But everybody is moving. All of my friends, last week I asked them, now they're in France. Yesterday I talked to them, they are now in Italy.
So you're gonna try it again. And have you tried?
Yeah, I have tried once, but in the border they catch and they send me back.
And what border did you try? The Hungarian one?
Yeah, Romania.
The Romanian one?
Yeah. That situation, I was working for the US military in Afghanistan. I was interpreter for them, translator, English into 2 different languages, Farsi and Pashto, the native language in Afghanistan. So the fucking motherfucker Taliban who was talking every day in Qatar about peace, there isn't any peace. They're talking from one side peace. I'm looking BBC, CNN. They're talking one side peace, and today is bomb blasting in my city. People are get killed by phone, using an iPhone. The robbers take a shotgun for them. Forget about you work for Americans, for non-Muslims people. Oh, that's a fucking big issue for them. They're gonna kill you just for your phone. And if you have background for the government of like US, American, Spanish, or from Spain, there was an army in Afghanistan from Spain. I didn't work for them because they paid the less money, so I joined Americans. Yeah. There was Spanish people, and they told me if you work like 2 years contract, you will have a life support in Spain if you would like. So the money they offered me and the place where they want to take me for the missions, I didn't like the offer. So I joined US Army. And those motherfuckers also give me appointments. I said, let's go from this way, because I'm not only myself to go from this way. There's thousands of people, more than thousands. Families, kids, at least I'm a single, I can do my best. Even while family are going, pregnant women, kids, 5 years, 2 years, 3 years, they're going from this way. I'm young, I can go also. That's why I moved my ass from Afghanistan.
And have you received ill treatment in the border when you try to go to?
Yeah, the
to Romania?
motherfuckers, they beat you like animals. Oh my god.
That was in Romania or?
No, it's starting from Turkey border. The
Okay.
Turkish, they don't beat you. Once you cross the border from Greece, if you catch nearby Thessaloniki or Athens, they will right away send you and they will beat you like a fucking animal. I have still some of the tattoos of beating in my body. Yeah, that is still after 2 months, 3 months, still I have the stickers of that beating. I don't know, I said, okay, this is maybe my bad luck. Or maybe I came illegally and I accept that I'm moving illegally. So they have the right. And from the other side, it's not about 1 person, 2 person. It's about millions of person.
Of course.
It's about thousands of people. But why are you gonna beat like that? I'm not the one that I'm taking your others people to move them. I'm the one paying the money to move myself. They don't see that. They don't do it. They leave the dogs for you. Even the dogs come so closer, they take it back and they have the sticks with them, not rubber stick. That's a steel stick. And they don't see it. It's your head, it's your hand, it's your body. If it's body, okay, fine, but head. They hit you, beat, blood. They shot me like a kid, but it's a UFC ring, and 2 guys, motherfuckers, they were Germans because they have the style. I was working for military, I know. They have the flags. There's Carvassian.
Did that happen in Romania? That beating?
No, my friends, yesterday they came. They happens with them from Romania. The guy you see on the ridge right over there, he came yesterday deported. The red trouser. They have been beaten in Romania. He have still the pains in his body. You want to see with them? Okay, fine. I will tell him to show them. But it's not a news that I can show you right away live for you. Things happen, but people are get used with it because it's not about 1 person, 2 person. Everybody gets.
And for how long have you been here? When you left Afghanistan?
I left in December 2019. I got a Turkey visa. I didn't come by Iran. I got Turkey visa. From Turkey, I came to Greece illegally. From Greece, I moved to Serbia from Macedonski way illegally. From here, I have to move to Italy or Austria. Then I don't have any problem.